I started in 2016, I guess, around October, September, and then till last year I played, and then I took a break. When I came to Bangalore, I think I went to BMS college to do some throws with Harsha. And then I forgot about it for 1 year, and then 2016, Avi randomly said, these people play at APS college, and then why don't you go there and play? And I was like, I have never played that game before. It's like, just go and see if you like it. And one day I went to APS college in the morning, and by the time I went there, everybody was already playing. And then Avi taught me these basic skills, grip and all, how to throw and all that. And still I had no idea about all that. It's just like everybody was playing, and I couldn't understand anything. I just stood there and watched. After some time, these people are like, you also get into the, you also be in the line and then play. And that game was like, I did not understand anything. I just kept running behind the disc. I didn't know, who is on offense and defense, nothing. I have no idea about it. All I did was just running around, running behind the disc. And then again I went next day, and then next day, and then I continued. It was, I just felt it was really fun being around with these people. When I was in school, I used to play Kho-Kho and volleyball and badminton. I used to be in every sport, and we had a really good badminton coach there. So we used to go play badminton. Almost every kid in my hometown used to play badminton. And then during my PU, I didn't play anything. And in engineering, I just ran. Was not there in any of the sport as such. I don't really know why I didn't do it. Now if I have to go back and do, I think I would have joined something and then played. But I always knew that I like playing, I like being outdoors. I really like to try out new things and try out something for the first time. I think I've gotten addicted to that the feel you get when you're trying something for the first time. So I keep looking forward for something which catches me fancy. I always wanted to go to these snow-clad mountains. So I actually wanted to go on a solo trek for that, but that didn't happen. So 2017 we went on bike ride for Himalaya, and then at Kardungla, we had flat tire. Initial, first few minutes, I was so happy that happened, because I could get down and then touch snow and all. After 10 minutes, it was freezing cold. I started opening those bags and started pulling out all the warm cloths we had. It was one hell of an experience. It was really, really nice. And then while coming back, we drove from Amritsar to Belgaum. So it was also very nice. Paragliding I wanted to do because after listening to my friend's review about it, she really liked the sport, and then afterwards I was like, I want to really try that. And then I've been telling Naren, and he kept saying that we will go, and then I had my injury. But yes, I'm sure I will do that. The new adventure, something which I tried for the first time recently, is getting married. I'm sure I'll not be doing it for a second time, but that was fun. I think I had most fun in Mumbai Ultimate, because I knew nothing about in that the first tournament. It was like I used to get confused with forces, back and forth, forward and forth. As I used to be like, where do I have to stand? When the person who was explaining what force we have to follow, I used to ask that person, where do I have to stand? You just tell me that. You don't tell me what kind of force we have to use. I don't really know why they even included me in their team, because I had no skills. All I knew was running around the ground. If somebody asked me to run, I would just run everywhere. After that tournament, automatically my throws were better. I don't know how. It was amazing. That tournament, I had nothing but fun. Cross sectionals, yes. It was the last game of that tournament. It was against L2F, and we were all dead. All of us were tired. We were not even able to, stand. But then how we all played on that last match was something which is really memorable for me. I had got MVP also. I was so happy. Favorite position to play is being in the cup. I get the thrill of being 200% ready for the pull, and then you just sprint, and then you start running around the desk. And then after some time, it really tests your endurance. You really have to keep going, and then the cup really works, is what I feel. You might not get to touch the disc more, but if you touch the disc, then the feeling you get is really nice. I had a cartilage damage on my left knee. Initial few days were very bad. Initial few weeks I was not even able to walk around, and then so if there's so many chats keep on happening and everybody's playing, you keep looking at all the pictures, everybody's having fun, and you're not even able to go out. That's quite depressing. After like 1.4 year, I actually ran 5 kilometers. That's something which I'm very happy about, because initial few days running half kilometer was also painful. Varshaka, I really adore. I think it's mainly because of the kind of work she does, empowering people through sport. I also adore Hippo Meghna, because I think we both started playing together, but the way she has improved it's nice to see. One thing is that I made a lot of friends, and a lot of reliable friends, I should say. The other day I was talking about Ultimate. I was telling my husband, and he's like, how long do you know these people? I told him, see, I know these people probably 3.5 to 4 years, since 3.5 to 4 years. But the kind of bonding I have with them is really amazing. It's like anytime you can just tell them and there'll be people. I really like that energy and the vibe around you guys. I would say Ultimate has brought a lot of discipline in my life. Physical exercise, mental strength, and then food, strengthening, rest, recovery. So those were all, I had no idea about those concepts. So before, all I knew is I like to play, I like to be outdoor. That's all. So gradually this working out and taking care of our body and eating well, eating right, it just became a habit, whether I play or I don't play. That's how it made a difference in my life.